Hey everybody, welcome back to the Redcat University, and the Dukono Pro is back on our workbench today, and this time we are going to install the aluminum C-hubs. Now last time we installed the shock towers, those work both front and rear, and these C-hubs work both front and rear as well. We're going to use the same basic tools that we've been using before. We've got our Hexfly wrench set and a simple box wrench, and that's all we need to swap out the parts, so let's get to work. Start off by removing the body and then take the wheels off the front or rear of the truck depending on which C-hubs you're removing. Using a 2.5mm hex wrench, remove the steering rod ball stud from the steering knuckle. With a 2mm hex driver, remove the kingpin screws from the steering knuckles, both top and bottom. And now you can remove the steering knuckle and axle assembly from the truck. Be careful not to lose the shoulder bushing. Remove the upper camber link screw. The stock C-hub is almost out, we just have to remove the lower hinge pin screw. Slide the screw out, remove the stock C-hub. Once you remove the stock C-hub, you'll want to find the aluminum C-hub that has the same angle at the steering knuckle mounting boss. And now we can just reinstall the new part in the same fashion as we remove the stock part. With the exception of the camber link screw, I would suggest putting the screw in from the back side and putting the retaining nut on the front. Once you've completed one C-hub upgrade, then repeat the process for the other side. Our new C-hubs are installed, and we've just improved the durability of our Redcat Dukono. Links for the products mentioned here are listed in the description below. Thank you again for checking in to the Redcat University, and we'll see you back really soon.